In 2013, 21-year-old Elisa Lam vanished while staying at Los Angeles' infamous Cecil Hotel, a building known for murders, suicides, and other dark legends. The last footage of Elisa shows her acting strangely in an elevator, pressing multiple buttons, peeking out nervously, and moving her hands as if she's speaking to someone unseen. Weeks later, after guests complained about the hotel's water, maintenance workers found Elisa's body inside a rooftop water tank. The heavy lid closed from the outside. No signs of foul play, no drugs, just endless theories. From psychotic breaks to paranormal activity, to this day, no one knows truly what happened to Elisa Lam.